Hello dear students, today's topic is benzene derivatives. Now the derivatives are the compounds which are obtained by replacing hydrogens of benzene by some other groups. In case of benzene, we have 6 carbons in a ring and attached to them are the 6 hydrogens. When one or more of the hydrogens are replaced by some other groups, they give us the formation of benzene derivatives. Some very important benzene derivatives are as follows. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by a fluorine, it gives us fluorobenzene. Likewise, when one of the hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, it gives us chlorobenzene. Likewise, we have bromobenzene and iodobenzene. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by a nitro group, it gives us the formation of nitrobenzene. When the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by a vinyl group, that is CH double bond CH2, it gives us vinylbenzene. Generally, it is called as styrene. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by a methyl group, it gives us formation of methylbenzene, which is commonly called as toluene. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by ethyl group, it gives us formation of ethylbenzene. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by isopropyl group, it gives us formation of isopropylbenzene, which is commonly called as cumene, which is an important starting material for synthesis of phenol. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by tertiary butyl group, it gives formation of tertiary butylbenzene. When two hydrogens are replaced by two methyl groups in benzene, they gives us the formation of isomeric compounds. For example, when the methyl groups are at ortho position to each other, the compounds obtained is called as orthoxylene. In IUPAC nomenclature, it is called as 1,2-dimethylbenzene. Likewise, when the methyl groups are at 1 and 3 position to each other, they are called as 1,3-dimethylbenzene, and commonly it is called as metaxylene because both the methyl groups are at meta position to each other. Likewise, when the two methyl groups are at para position to each other, the derivatives obtained is called as paraxylene. Here the methyl groups are at 1 and 4 position to each other. So the compound paraxylene is called as 1,4-dimethylbenzene. When 3 methyl groups are present on benzene at 1, 3 and 5 position, the derivatives obtained is called as 1,3,5-trimethylbenzene, and commonly this compound is called as mesitylene. Besides this, we have other important derivatives. For example, when one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by allyl group, it is called as allylbenzene. When two phenyl rings are attached with each other by a single bond, so such derivative is called as biphenyl. When two benzene rings are attached at ortho positions to each other like this, the derivatives obtained is called as naphthalene. When 3 benzene rings are attached with each other in a linear way, the derivative so obtained is called as anthracene. When three benzene rings are attached in these positions, the derivatives so obtained are called as the phenanthrene. Both these structures, this one and this one, represent the phenanthrene. If we rotate this structure in anti-clockwise direction, it gives the formation of this structure. So both this and these are referred as the phenanthrenes. Besides this, the other important derivatives of benzene are like this. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by hydroxy group, it gives us formation of hydroxybenzene, which is commonly known as phenol. Likewise, when one of the hydrogen is replaced by amino group, it gives formation of aminobenzene, and aminobenzene is commonly known as aniline. When one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by COOH group, it gives formation of benzoic acid, which is the example of carboxylic acid. When one of the hydrogen is replaced by COOR group, it gives the formation of the corresponding ester. In this case, this one is methyl benzoate. When one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by a methoxy group, the compound so obtained is called as methoxybenzene, and commonly it is called as anisole. Likewise, when one of the hydrogen is replaced by ethoxy group, the compound so obtained is called as ethoxybenzene, and it is commonly called as phenetol. If we look at the name very carefully, we can easily correlate the name with the structure. Here the phen stands for the phenyl, and this Et stands for the ethyl group. When one of the hydrogen of benzene is replaced by a formyl group HCO, then the compound so obtained is called as formylbenzene, which is commonly known as benzaldehyde. When a acetyl group is attached with a benzene ring, it is called as acetylbenzene, and it is commonly called as acetophenone. Likewise, when a cyano group is attached to benzene, it is called as cyanobenzene, and this compound is more commonly known as benzonitrile. When a carbamoyl group NH2CO is attached with benzene, the attachment leads to formation of important category, the amides, and the compound so obtained is called as benzamide. Likewise, when a hydrogen is replaced by SO3H group, it leads to formation of the sulfonic acid derivatives, and with the attachment of benzene on sulfur, the compound so obtained is called as benzene sulfonic acid. So dear students, that is all about the important benzene derivatives. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.